Hello everyone, Namaste. Thank you for watching my videos. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am sharing recipe of Sabudana Khichdi. So let's get started. So we'll rinse Sabudana with water at least 2 to 3 times, and then we'll add water and soak Sabudana at least for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. So here we have all the ingredients to make Sabudana Khichdi. We have salt, cumin seeds, curry leaves, lemon, cilantro, green chillies, ghee, sugar powder and peanuts, as well as 2 medium-sized boiled potatoes. After soaking in water for 6 hours, the Sabudana seeds have become soft and fluffy. Now in a kadai, we'll roast on medium flame 1 cup of peanuts. When they cool down, we'll remove the skin. We'll discard the skin of the peanuts. We'll grind it into a coarse powder. Now let's make the Sabudana Khichdi. In a pan on medium flame, we'll heat 3 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is heated, we'll add cumin seeds and let it crackle. Then we'll add the green chillies. Give it a stir. We'll also add the curry leaves. Again we'll stir it at least for 5 seconds. Then we'll add the boiled diced potatoes. We'll let it cook at least for 1 minute, stirring it continuously. We'll add salt to taste. We'll also add the roasted peanut powder. Give it a mix. And then we'll add the soaked sabudana. We'll mix all this continuously, stirring it. So after continuously stirring the sabudana for at least 5 to 7 minutes, the color of the sabudana turns from white to translucent. We'll also add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of sugar powder. Mix it well. Then we'll add half a cup of chopped cilantro. And our Sabudana Khichdi is ready. Sabudana Khichdi tastes very good with coconut chutney or yogurt. Enjoy with your friends and family. See you next week with another recipe. Thank you.